I took an old pair of jeans and some other items you probably have sitting around your house, and I made these awesome denim crafts. First, I'll show you 3 different ways to make denim flowers, and then I will finish up this video with a cute little denim farmhouse DIY. Do you ever get tired of something in your closet? I've had these Ann Taylor capris for a while, and well, I was just kind of over them. Instead of donating this pair, I decided to save them for a DIY. First, you will trace and cut out 6 circles on those jeans. This video is part of a farmhouse DIY challenge hosted by my friend Heidi Sanboul. There will be a playlist with a bunch of other farmhouse DIYs, so make sure to check that playlist out in the description box below. If you're stopping by my channel for the first time, let me introduce myself. I'm Maria, and I love sharing ways to get creative in your home. If you like home DIYs and other creative inspiration ideas, please hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell right now so that you'll know when my new creative videos go up for you. Next, we'll fold those circles into quarter circles by folding it once and then folding it once more. Take the raw edges and create the letter M or W, depending on how you're looking at it, and then stitch it together. I don't have a sewing machine, so I used a needle and thread for this part. I created 3 of these with the dark blue on the outside, and then I did 3 more with the light blue, and I did this to give the flower some dimension. Next, we will attach all 6 of our petals together with some hot glue. And then add a little button to the center of our flower, and we're done with this first one. If you thought that first flower was easy, just wait until you see the next 2. For this one, you will want to cut a long strip of denim. Then cut strips about 1/2 inch thick and about 1.5 inches long. I wanted to add a little extra texture and color to mine, so I did use some light blue fabric scraps on there too. A little hot glue and layering of the fabric strips, and you have a cute little flower. I topped this with a button, and that really finished this off with that farmhouse theme. I saved the easiest flower for last, but keep watching to the end to see how I ended up styling these flowers in a denim farmhouse floral decor piece. For this one, I have another long strip of denim. Fold this in half once and cut about 1 inch into the edge of the fabric. Now I'm using denim for all of these flowers because I think it has such a cute farmhouse look, but it would be so fun to mix and match whatever scraps of fabric you have around your house. I opened up the cut denim, and we are going to put a line of hot glue down to seal it closed. We will be rolling this up, so you may want to test this by rolling it up without glue first. just to make sure that you like the fullness of the flower. You can cut off a little if you think that the flower is too big. And then you'll have a minute or two before the glue fully dries to rearrange any of the petals that you want to sit in a different position. I had this wooden tray that I found at Target a while back, but you could use any square or rectangular tray that you have in your home. I think wood, denim, and white flowers bring together a very nice farmhouse feel. First, I measured the inside of this tray and I cut the denim to fit. Now I want to use this tray again sometime, but I wanted the denim to really lay flat onto that tray. So for a temporary fix, I just used a little tape to hold down the fabric. These glass jars came from Dollar Tree, and last time I was there they still had them in stock. I think this is a permanent item that they have there. They come with a lid, but we're going to use these as vases, so I left the lids off. I have used these over and over again for decorating in various ways in my home. So I want to do something that isn't really permanent, but I do want to give these jars a really different look. I found this twine at Dollar Tree and you get quite a bit for $1, so I wrapped this around the edge of the jars. A little moss filler in those jars and some flowers. And then we have a pretty piece of farmhouse decor that would look great anywhere in the house. If you want to see more DIYs, then I have a playlist full of creative inspiration right over here. And also a subscribe button, so make sure to click on that so you'll know when new videos go up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.